So, we did this experiment to ask people, ano ang gusto mong sabihin sa younger self mo?
To my younger self, huwag mo na pangarapin here. Diyan ka na lang ha. Diyan buhay pa si mama. I love myself. I love my mom. And I love you. Kunti pa boss, makakaya rin natin to. To my younger self, alagaan mo sarili mo dyan. Napababayaan ko na sarili ko dito. Sabihin mo kay tatay na away ng mga kamag-anak si mama. Galingan ko pa rin dito. Kahit hindi ka na kasama my younger self, magpatuloy pa rin ako. Matutupad ko ang pangarap nating makatapos.
Huwag ka dito. Masyadong magulo ang inakala mong paraiso. Kung nasan ka man ngayon, just go with the flow. Hindi man madali pero kakayanin mo yan. Acceptance is the key. Matulog ka na. For my younger self, I wish to protect you to a bad guy. I wish I was happy before if you were getting older. Don't forget to don't trust people easily because you don't know who they really are. Just be safe no matter what.